Please stop the music. I need to say something before this continues.
Look at me, Nora.
I am done waiting for a dream.
You cannot take over my company.
A stunning wedding hall. Crystal chandeliers, white flowers, string quartet, everything perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise. The bride is ready to enter.
I am nervous, but I have never been more certain about anything.
You deserve this, Ryan. After everything you have been through, you deserve every bit of this.
The doors open. Nora walks in. White gown. Calm, beautiful. Please stop the music. I need to say something before this continues.
Nora, what is happening? You look like something is wrong.
I cannot marry you, Ryan. What is happening here?
Why is the bride rejecting the groom on wedding day?
Nora? Are you sure this will create a big scene in front of everyone? I am sure. I cannot build my future with someone who has nothing. I have made a different decision for my life.
We planned everything together. You are standing at our altar right now. Why are you doing this?
Because I found someone who can give me the life I actually want. Not promises, not potential. Results.
Good evening, everyone. I apologize for the interruption. Nora has chosen to build her future with me.
Look at me, Nora. Is this real?
I need security. I need a real future. Ambition without achievement is just a dream, Ryan. I am done waiting for a dream.
She took Victor's arm. They walked out. The guests watched in silence. Ryan stood at the altar. Alone.
Outside, night air. Ryan on the marble steps, jacket off, tie loose, staring at nothing.
I know this pain is deep right now, but I have known you for 15 years, and I have never seen anyone fight the way you fight.
My chest feels like something broke inside it. But underneath that batting, there is something else.
What does it feel like?
Like fire.
Fire destroys things, Ryan. Or it builds them. That choice is yours tonight.
She said ambition means nothing without results. She is right.
I am going to build results she cannot ignore. Not for her, for myself. Weeks later. A small apartment. Simple, focused. Ryan at a desk, notebooks everywhere, coffee cups, laptop screens. Not sleeping much. But his eyes, alive. You called me here at midnight. This better be worth my drive. I used to work logistics and delivery for 3 years. I watched the same problems repeat every single day. I want to build one platform, connecting supply chains, payment processing, and customer networks to install a solution. For businesses too small for enterprise solutions, but too big to keep operating manually. For companies stuck between outdated systems and expensive enterprise tools, this fills the gap. You lived these problems personally? Every single day for 3 years. I am not guessing at the solution. I am the person who felt the problem. This is risky. The market is crowded. You will need to move faster than anyone expects. I have nothing to lose, James. And I have every reason to win. I will invest, but I need strong leadership and real execution. Not plans, results. I will deliver.
If you want to see what he builds, please subscribe. And tell me in the comments, do you think he will prove them wrong?
Months passed. Ryan was in meetings every day, arcane, sharp, clear, decisive. His team kept growing. Glass offices filled with energy, whiteboards full of plans, movement everywhere. Product launching, businesses signing on. Revenue charts rising. Ryan watched the numbers. Quietly, certainly, he had known.
Victor, your company looks powerful, and I feel safe being part of your life.
Of course, I always stay ahead. I know how to control markets and people.
Sometimes, I think about Ryan. But I know I made the smarter decision.
Forget him. People like him never reach our level in real life. Sir, there is a fast-growing company dominating local business networks right now. What is the company name? And who is leading this sudden growth? The company name is called NovaBridge. And the CEO is someone named Ryan Carter.
Ryan, that name sounds familiar. But it cannot be the same person.
You built this fast, Ryan. Very fast. We have over 400 business partners already on the platform, and we are adding 60 per week. Competitors will move to copy your model. Let them try. By the time they copy what I built today, Hideo, I will already be 3 steps further. You speak like a different person than the man who called me at midnight. That night changed everything. I just chose what to do with the change.
An elite business gala, grand ballroom, crystal glasses, men in bespoke suits. Real power in every corner. Ryan walks in, same face, but everything about him has changed. Posture, eyes, the way a room notices him.
Is that the man from the wedding?
That is Ryan. The CEO of NovaBridge? That Ryan Carter is the man you left at the altar? Ryan had seen them. He walked over completely calm. Good evening.
Ryan, I cannot believe you look completely...
Different? Do that.
Yes.
Pain tends to do that.
Impressive growth. Though in this industry, one wrong move and everything unravels fast.
You are right. Which is why I plan 10 moves ahead before I make one. Sir, their supply chain has been losing partners for 6 weeks. Client retention is down 30%. Mr. Victor, the Singapore partners have withdrawn, and 3 more are in discussion with NovaBridge.
Ryan, I think I made a mistake. What I did to you.
Regret is easy when the outcome changes, Nora. The decision you made, that was you. Exactly as you are. He said nothing more. He did not need to. Thank you for coming. We are open to partnership and mutual growth discussion. I am not here to partner. I am here to acquire. Full ownership. Complete transfer. This feels personal. You are doing this because of Nora. Business becomes personal when someone decides your worth in front of everyone watching. This is not revenge, Victor. This is simply business. And timing makes everything meaningful. Your supply chain is failing. Your retention is collapsing. Your investors are nervous. You cannot take over my company. I built this with my own effort and hard work.
Please, stop this. I regret everything I did. I made a terrible mistake back then.
Regret is easier after failure.
Oh.
But decisions define people at the right moment. Sign the agreement and your team keeps their jobs. Your clients get a better system. Everyone moves forward. I have no choice. Good decision. Sometimes releasing something is better than watching it collapse. If this story made you feel something, please subscribe. The ending is coming. And tell me in the comments, was this revenge or was this business? You did it. You control the entire network now.
No.
No one in this market can move without going through your platform. You know what the strange thing is? Standing in that ballroom tonight, I did not feel what I thought I would feel. What did you feel? Nothing about them. I felt something about myself, like I finally proved something that had nothing to do with either of them.
That is when you know you built something real. When the people who doubted you become irrelevant to the story.
That day at the altar, I thought it was the end of everything, but it was just the end of one version of me, the version that needed someone else's approval to feel worthy. The version that needed someone else's approval to feel worthy. That version is gone.
James raised his glass quietly. Ryan raised his. No words were spoken. They stood in silence, looking at the city below. He did not win because he was angry. He won because he chose to build instead of break. Some losses are the most important victories you will ever experience. You just have to survive long enough to understand why.